Okay, now that I have it upside down, I have the brakes, access to all the brakes, calipers. So now that I'm gonna fine tune get that dragging noise out of the disc brakes. And I have all the access to all the components that allows the disc brake to work at my disposal with no effort, allowing gravity to be my friend. So I'm gonna get these brakes tuned where it's no drag, no friction, and then turn it back upright, and then work on the pedals, check the disc brakes in the rear, and make sure the seats are secure, check the shifter and the gears, and that should do it. Alright, first thing I like to do is make sure the wheels are spinning freely with no drag on the disc brake. And if there was any drag on the disc brake, I would loosen this bolt first, get the caliper loose, and then I would loosen this one all the way. Then I would apply my brakes, center it, tighten this one down first, and then slowly making adjustments with the top bolt to remove any friction. That will get a good alignment, and all that dragging sound will then go away. Then I will just make, if there's any adjustments on the brakes, because that's going too close to the handles, that should not be touching. It should stop about right there. And I'll make adjustments right here on this pinch bolt. That's where I would make the adjustment at, so that then the handle will stop, the brake handle will stop right there instead of going all the way there. But this used to be so difficult to figure out how to get that dragging sound out of there, and I use gravity, and that's my best method of, I found, really fast and quick for a rapid assembly. When you're pumping out a lot of bikes, you want to be very quick at discovering quick ways to solve a problem, and that's my method. I had a very good teacher. Very good teacher. Okay, this elevator is making a little extra noise, but I have my ear right up to the disc brake calipers, and I don't hear any squealing noise, any squeaks. And so I made adjustments to the brakes. Now they only come in, they only stop right here. Whereas that's where I was taught that they should be applied at. I use gravity. A bike stand or tree stand is what I call it. Bike tree stand. A bike stand is it's good. You can flip your bike all 360 degrees, but if you don't have a bike stand, this is what you do. Practical, simple tools, easy way to keep your bikes maintained.